Hi everyone, my name is Kiran. Today we are going to discuss about one of the interesting topic, that is a Azure Firewall from standard SKU type to premium SKU type. So let's discuss about scenario. Actually, my customer using the Azure Firewall, and that is a standard SKU type. Okay, now in the standard SKU type, we won't get the some feature like IDPS, as well as web category filtering, as well as TLS inspection, and some of the features won't get it. These all those things. Okay, now my customer wants to these features also in their environment. So they're asking me to upgrade the standard firewall to premium firewall. And what is the process, how to upgrade it? So we'll discuss about these all those things, as well as I'm going to show you the practical about how to upgrade the standard SKU type of Azure Firewall to premium SKU type. Okay, and first of all, already I have one virtual network, I have VNet like that, and as well as firewall. It's a, like you can see here guys, it's a firewall type also. I can show you here. Right now my firewall SKU type is a standard. Okay, and it's a firewall policy also. If you click on firewall policies, and this policy is also standard SKU type. Now it's a planning to upgrade the firewall SKU type from standard to premium. And what are the things we need to do it? First of all, as per company policies and process, and we need to follow some standards, change management, get the downtime window, and get the approvals. These are all those things, blah blah. Yes, I follow also same thing, and follow the downtime window, and how much downtime is required for upgrading this firewall. Actually, Microsoft given, they mention about 30 minutes of time, it's enough to upgrade the standard to SKU type. And so standard SKU type to premium. So same like I inform to my customers, we require the 30 minutes to 40 minutes, because of sometimes it's any delay. Better is a 10 minutes grace period I taken, and plan the accordingly. So what is a plan for this? So what are the things is before we are going to do it? So first of all, what Microsoft saying that this firewall, you know, uh, like first of all, look into this firewall and what type of SKU, and firewall policy also what type of SKU. We are already checked it, and it's up and running. And so one more question, everyone will get it. Okay, what about existing policy? Suppose I have some network rules, I have some application rules, some I have DNAT rules. These all those things automatically will upgrade it. Who will going to take care? Is it manually we need to do it? These all questions will get it. You will get the more clarity on this. So first thing, not required to take care about this application rules, network rules, and DNAT rules, guys. Automatically transform to the premium firewall, transform to the premium firewall policies. No need to worry about that. Only Microsoft saying that Threat Intelligent. If you configure in your organization Threat Intelligence, any allow list of IP address and this mode, as well as this FQDN, these all those things, we need to take the screenshot or take the list down, these all details, as well as private IP ranges SNAT. This is the one also we need to take care before that, because of in the transformation of standard to premium, at that time it won't take care these details. Okay, especially these details we need to take care ourselves, guys. We need to take care ourselves. So what is the steps we need to follow it for this and look into that? So for that, Microsoft given the their documentation Azure PowerShell. Through that we can upgrade it. Other than that, if you go to the Azure Firewall, recently some premium preview, sorry, not premium, it's a preview. They given change SKU type. You can see, guys, change SKU type preview is available. So preview means it will take care itself from standard to premium, and you can see advanced security capabilities recommended, highly sensible regulatory environments will get it, but entirely automatically. So you can see as a part of upgrade process, new premium policies will be automatically created, and based on existing rules, the policies will attach to the upgrade premium firewall. That upgrade process may take several minutes until it's completed. So totally it will take care end to end everything. No need to run anything actually. But problem is it's a preview. Preview means still Microsoft testing and implementing and these things. In case of when we are implementing the production, if you use it, in case of any issue with that, Microsoft won't provide the any support. Preview models, Microsoft not providing any technical support, as well as there is no SLA for that. So that's the reason right now I'm not recommended to use it. Even Microsoft not recommended to use it in the production, this preview related. Okay, so now we are implementing in the production. That's the reason we are not going to use it. So what is the second method? How to perform it? So through PowerShell. So instead of like install the PowerShell modules in our my desktop, these all those things, better solution is a like Cloud Shell is available here. You can see guys, Cloud Shell. Click on, and it's a reconnecting. That is a one already. It's a previously configure this PowerShell Cloud Shell model. So it's trying to reconnect it here. Okay, so I'm going to run PowerShell commands accordingly, upgrade the uh, firewall policies as well as Azure Firewall. Okay, from standard SKU type to premium SKU type. So for that, already I taken the list of all commands here. You can see guys, first step, migrating an existing policies using the PowerShell. So transform the policies. Right now, our SKU type is a standard. So first of all, policies needs to be upgraded to the premium. For that is a Microsoft given one of the PowerShell script, that is a transform policy script is available. So it's already uploaded in this my Cloud Shell. Let me show you. If I mention ls, so I can show you. Okay, it's not there here. Let me try to again upload it here. Cloud uploaded, and this is a my PowerShell script that transform the policy script. So trying to upload it. Now upload is done. So just again ls and check the thing guys. Here transform policy .ps1, that PowerShell script. Okay, that PowerShell script already uploaded here. And going to here, before that, that policy ID I need to take care. So where we can get this policy ID? So if you go to the here above is a GUI model, and there is a firewall policy and AZ firewall policy. If you click on and scroll down, here there is a properties. Click on properties, as well as scroll down here resource ID. That resource ID I'm copying here guys, and go to the notepad, that entirely replacing here. Okay, entirely replace it here. So just I'm copying this entire command, right click, copy, go to Cloud Shell and paste it. So here what it's saying that the term policies is a recognized as a name commandlet function. Okay, so it's a getting the problem like this. Let me do it like this way. Transform hyphen policy. Now you can see here I got the PowerShell script like this, and after that I'm going to notepad again up to from this place. I'm copy and again space and paste it here. Now enter. So validating the needed module adjusted. So this Cloud Shell Microsoft maintain itself. So they will up to date all the modules is available. So I'm not getting any problem. If you are using you are trying to from your desktop or laptop, any other server, and first of all, you need to adjusting that, that relevant Azure module, like, PowerShell module must and should be installed. So in our scenario is a Cloud Shell I'm using. No need to install any configuration is required. You can observe here validating needed module adjusted. Validating the resource is expected, and create a new policy and populating the rules in the new policy. So automatically existing policies also on the new policy it's going. New policy it's going. So that means guys, it's the existing name. What is the existing name? AZ FW policy is available, and it's a creating new firewall policy that is a with the premium AZ FW policy underscore premium wise. Automatically it's a created on existing standard policies. What are the rules is available? All the rules also automatically will get into the premium policies, guys, in the premium policies. Okay, first step is a done, and next step, deallocate the standard firewall. First of all, we need to deallocate the standard firewall. So this is a command, guys, I'm following. This is a variable, and this is also variable for deallocated. And after that, finally, this is a command to deallocate the firewall. So my firewall name is a firewall01, and resource group is this is a 1. And even if you go to here, click on firewalls and click on firewalls, and you can see, guys, it's a overview. Right now this is a resource group, that firewall name, and so same details already provided in the this notepad, that PowerShell commands wise already edited. So just I'm copy here, right click, copy, go to Cloud Shell and paste it, enter. So that's done. And second command, AZ, this second command, again copy and go to the paste it, enter. That's also completed. Next, set Azure Firewall. This is also copy, go to Cloud Shell and paste it and enter. Now this standard SKU type Azure Firewall, it's going to deallocate it, guys. It's going to deallocate it. This one around 30 minutes, 10 minutes of time it will take it. Around 10 minutes of time it will take it. 10 minutes minimum it will take it, guys. We have to wait up to 10 minutes here. So in between time, I can tell you where the documentation is available, how to check it, and what I'm using right now. This PowerShell script, it's a transform PS1. So where we can get this PowerShell script and everything, we'll look into that. So for that, so go to the Google Chrome, and I'm going to search with like this, guys, and Azure Firewall Premium Upgrade. It's a searching like that, and I got one migrate to the Azure Firewall Premium. This is a documented by Microsoft. Click on that documentation, and this is a document I followed, guys. I followed this document. So migrate to the Azure Firewall. So scroll down here, migrating existing policy to Azure PowerShell using the Azure PowerShell. So how I performed it? So this is a one transform policy .ps1. So where is the script? And you can see, guys, this is an entirely script given by Microsoft. Entirely given by Microsoft. Same script I copied and keep it in the notepad, and that notepad save as a PowerShell. Same name I taken. So after that, so this is a example command they mention, uses command. Same I followed it, and in this policy ID, I given my policy related resource ID I provided, guys. Accordingly, I run that one. Okay. So that is a transformation is already completed. So one more thing, guys, if you are performing from your desktop or some other system, and PowerShell modules should be installed. So you can see guys, install the Azure PowerShell modules. If it is not available, you can check it, it's a really available or not. That list of PowerShell commands is a agent commands is a everything is available or not. If it is not available, you can click on this one and you can try to understand and try to download and install the agent module guys. Agent modules must and should install. And one more point guys, again I'm repeating here, already I mentioned, when transforming the standard Azure policies to premium, at that time it won't migrate the script doesn't migrate the threat intelligence and SNAT private ranges settings. So clearly mention, you will need to note those settings before proceeding and migrate them manually. Otherwise, you might encounter inconsistency traffic filtering with your new upgrade firewall. So be careful, guys. This is a very, very, very important point. Okay. So let's come to down and coming to after that, what we performed it. So migrating Azure Firewall using stop and start. This is a one. So for that, first of all, I run this command. So migrate that VNet Hub firewall, deallocate the standard firewall. So same commands, I given my firewall name, my resource group name, and I've run all the commands. So accordingly, now it's running and trying to deallocate the standard firewall. After that, we are going to upgrade the firewall. That means is a premium firewall. This premium firewall, how I can get it? These are the commands I'm following, guys. But here you need to understand one thing: single public IP address. That firewall have single public IP address. You can follow this script. Okay. No, sometimes is a will multiple public IP address definitely will use it in Azure Firewall. At that time, you can follow this one. At that time, you can follow this one, guys. So in my scenario, in real time, I followed this one, second one, because of my in real time scenario, my Azure Firewall have multiple IP address. So that's the reason I follow this second one, multiple public IP address. But in our lab scenario, what I'm showing, this is the one. There is no much difference, guys. You can see public IP address. This is a one command only I'm getting. But if you have multiple public IP address, you need to multiple times same thing. You have to repeat it. You have to repeat the same thing. It's a for each and every public IP address purpose. You need to repeat it. That is the only major. Okay, so that is a important thing, guys. Let's go to the back here. Still, it's progress, and it will take I think is a next 2 or 3 minutes it's going to complete it. Okay, in between time, so in between time, let's is a here. After that, we force tunneling. If you are force tunneling mode, if you are using in your Azure Firewall, allocate to the Azure Premium into the force tunneling, you need to follow this command, guys. You need to follow these commands. Okay, so differences depends on your requirement. You can follow, guys. It's a very, very important here. Okay, same thing, Microsoft saying that if we are using hub network firewall, if it is a migrating these steps. What about virtual WAN and that firewall using? So for that also they given in the WAN, virtual WAN, if you are using the firewall, hub firewall, if you are using. So for that they given the this command, guys. You can observe here. These are the firewall same. This is a deallocated, but a premium. It's whenever you are getting, you need to provide the virtual WAN hub name, so that in the virtual WAN hub, that premium firewall, we can get it. Virtual WAN hub, we can get that Azure Firewall Premium will get it, guys. So let's wait for here. Yes, it's a completed, guys. You can see here, totally it's completed. Now it's showing the things succeeded. It's a succeeded. Now, what is the next? What we need to perform it? So first, it's a we need to multiple IP address or single IP address related. We need to allocate the Azure Firewall Premium. So I already modify the script accordingly based on my requirement. So just I'm going to run these commands, guys. Just I'm going to run these commands. Let's go to copied, right click, copy, go to the Cloud Shell and paste it here, enter, and next one more command. And this is a one premium SKU type, copy, go to here, again, paste it here. Okay, good. And next, that VNet virtual network, in which virtual network you are trying to. In your case, it's a virtual WAN separate command. In my scenario, is a hub network only. I'm doing that network command I'm using here. My virtual network name and accordingly that command I'm using here. So I'm specifying in which virtual network I required. So paste it and run. Good. And next is a public IP address. I have only one public IP address in this scenario. I'm copying this one and paste it and run. Good. This is a one also. Next, if it is a one more public IP address, you need to copy that one more public IP address. But I don't have, so I'm following after all the public IP address you configure. After that only you need to, this command needs to be run. Copy and try to paste it. Okay, good. This is also completed. Next, major, this is the one guy, set Azure Firewall, AG Firewall, hyphen firewall, that, firewall, it's a variable wise, it's available. So copy, and again, this is a one guys, it will take around 10 to 15 minutes of time to upgrade the Azure Firewall. Now again, get the new Azure Firewall Premium, will get it guys. So it will take around 10 to 15 minutes. Once is a completed, once is a completed. So one more thing guys, below you can see here, below Azure Firewall policy. Once this is the completed only, so this command run up and running, sorry, not up and running, this command successfully completed. After that, you can close this Cloud Shell and refresh the portal and come to the firewall, and you can check it, this firewall is a premium or not. Right now still is a standard because of it's not upgraded, still is a standard. Once is upgraded and showing the premium, after that come to scroll down here, firewall policies. So you need to change it. So generally it will show you AG firewall policy underscore premium guys. AG firewall policy underscore premium, it will show you. Once it's showing here, you need to click on change, so that what standard policy is allocated to this firewall, it is going to change to the premium firewall policy. Premium firewall policy guys. So let's coming to again, if it is going to show you or not, let's check it. Still it's not showing. And even I will go to the here, and the firewall policies, I can search with that. Parallelly below is running that one, that command. And here firewall policies, and you can see guys, AG firewall policy underscore premium, you can see it's automatically created all the existing policies and everything. I got it on this, everything I got it on this. Only one thing guys, you need to remember again, threat intelligent as well as private SNAT, source network address translation, we need to configure those things. Those settings we won't get it, we won't get it, that transformation it won't happen. We must and should ourselves only. Once below command what running right now, upgrading the Azure Firewall to standard to premium, once is a completed, come to firewall, click on this firewall, and after that you can able to see premium. So right now it's a running. So premium, once you got the premium, scroll down, and even it will change it to the, here it will show you AGFW, that policy underscore premium, it will show to us, and we need to click on change. After that, that firewall policy is also from standard to premium, it will going to change it. So this is a last one but not least, we need to update it guys. So right now provisioning state is a updating still. So that's the reason I'm waiting for that. I'm waiting for that. Let's wait for 5 minutes so that it will complete this command. After that, I can show you here, this change also. Otherwise, you people like, update it. So guys, one more thing, I'm planning to new channel, and that channel is especially who wants to learn Azure platform infrastructure, especially. So with the real time scenarios based, I'm going to provide the trainings through YouTube channel. And if you are anyone interested, and I will post the next video my details, so that you can contact me, and you can learn from me. So that channel also learn with me, so that channel, and I will upload the recording sessions on that. You can watch it anytime. So very helpful to guys, and you can learn. So but right now I'm planning stage. Give me some time, I can come to plan. Okay. As usually, again, this cloud Patasala, parallelly it will run. I will post it the real time scenarios, some of the things I will post it. My experience wise, I will create a videos and post it here. If you are like it, please subscribe and like it and give the comments. Thank you guys. So thank you very much. So don't forget it. Don't forget to the change this one, and it's a very very important, guys. That is a last but not least, very very important, but it will take some time. That's the reason I'm like leave it this one, so you can plan accordingly. It won't take much time, guys. It's a just 5 minutes of time. I hope it's next 5 minutes is going to complete it. It's going to complete the next 5 minutes, I hope. So hopefully you understand the things. Thank you very much. Have a nice day, guys. Thank you.